Hi, I'm Christy. I'm the youth worker for the Hawthorne and Rydfelin area. I'm here at the Ilan Centre, which have been nominated for Youth Club of the Year. Come on, guys, we can do it. It's a great club to be part of. We have over 50 young people that come in with us every week, aging from 11 all the way up to 21. So we've got gaming, we've got skateboarding, we've got football, and lots of places for young people to chill as well.
I'm more into the arts and crafts here.
We've got Nick turning up Starfishing at the moment, doing t-shirts and hats.
Nick's the best person ever. I really like doing art with him. It's just calmed me down and it's really fun.
I think Ilan's a great place to come, see your friends, get a bit active with the football and the skateboarding for the youngsters. You're always greeted with a nice member of staff, always got a smile on their face.
I love coming up to youth club because I get to see my friends in Christy. Have fun, do it all.
Or just play football with the boys, really. It's a great way to get out of trouble, basically.
I like youth club.
I really want the youth club to do well. We've been really successful for a long time. Good luck, we are behind you. Keep supporting Ilan and all the staff are behind you. Good luck.